Thanks for checking out our Bifarm tutorials. In this video, we will be going over the basic installation setup of the included parts of the AeroXPS. We'll cover wheel installation, cable, and power connections, so let's get started. Once you've emptied the contents of your shipping package, gather the 4 wheels that were sent with the XPS. Move your XPS to a stable, secure surface and rotate it on its side for easier access to the bottom of the unit. Installing the wheels is simple. Just position, hold, and screw into the openings at each corner. Next, we'll connect our power cord. Remove the side panel from the XPS by unscrewing the 2 pins located at the bottom. Remove the power cap, then feed your power cord through the opening located under the smart controller and snap into place for a secure connection. Now we'll hook up a few connections on the opposite side of the smart controller. We will now be taking our included climate sensor and connecting it to its designated port. Feed the plug through the opening to the bottom of the smart controller and insert it to its designated port. Repeat this step for other connections. Let's move on to the power switch. To control auxiliary equipment through your AeroXPS, you will need to use the included power switch and wire harness. You need 1 power switch per auxiliary equipment. Extra power switches can be purchased through the Bifarm website. Note, the system is preset to control lights using wire number 1 and ventilation using wire number 2. To connect to the smart controller, plug the wire harness to the smart controller port labeled Auxiliary Equipment. Insert the desired wire, depending on the auxiliary equipment being used, into the pin plug in the power tail. Plug your auxiliary equipment into the power tail inlet. Plug the power switch to a power source and repeat for the remaining auxiliary equipment. Now you're ready to turn on your device. That's it for a basic installation. Make sure to check out our other Bifarm tutorials and subscribe to our channel and newsletter in the description below for more updates.